fourth all over the bottom squared. So 0 times anything is 0. This is going to turn into a negative 60 x to the fourth. Here, I've got two things in here. I've got the 3 that needs to get squared. 3 squared is 9. X to the fifth squared, and you multiply exponents. That's x to the fifth. So negative 60 x to the fourth over 9 x to the 10th. Simplifying, we've got 60 and 9. So 3 goes into there 3 times. 3 goes into there, negative 20. 4x is there, 10 of them there. These are all gone. I have 6 of those left. So I've got a final answer of negative 20 over 3x to the 6th. Quotient rule. The other way is to rewrite what's not a quotient. So we're going to rewrite f of x. So this is not a derivative. Remember, I can just bring this quantity, a couple things. I can think of the whole thing, bring it up, or I could leave the 3 down there and just bring the x up. I think I'll do both ways, and you decide which way you like better. So right now, it's this quantity to the first. So when I bring that up, it's going to be the 4 still there, bringing up 3x to the fifth. That quantity is the negative first. And there's so many things you can do. You can distribute the negative one in, or you can just go inside, outside. I think I would go inside, outside. I don't think the negative one is any good. So derivative. The 4 carries along as a multiplier. Now I've got my inside and my outside. The negative 1 comes down. Negative 1 times by 3x to the fifth to the negative 2. Oh, no, I don't like this at all. This is going to be ugly. All right, starting that one over. You can see where that's going. That was a bad rewrite. That would have been a lot of work. Best thing to do, leave the 3 down there. Just bring the x to the fifth up. That's going to be a whole lot easier. So rewrite f of x, leaving the 4 in the numerator, leaving the 3 in the denominator, bringing that up as x to the negative fifth. And then breaking off the 4/3 as a multiplier. That's going to be the quickest way to do it. So now it's just this x term where I bring the exponent and multiply it down. So now we're ready for derivative. So it's 4/3, bringing times the negative 5, x to the 1 less power. So multiplying, I'll have a negative 20. X to the negative 6. Remember, I want to make that a happy exponent, so I want to make it look like this. Here it's happy exponent, so positive exponent. I'm going to kick that back down to the denominator, the x to the 6 down there, and the 3 is down there with it in the denominator. So, as a review, multiply these two together, got the negative 20. This x to the negative 6 is up in the numerator, it's negative. If I bring it back down to the denominator, it becomes positive. And the 3 I just left on. Now they look exactly the same. So recapping, on the rewrite, just bring the x term up to the top with the negative exponent. Any constants, leave them down there. That's going to be the best way. All right, your assignment on this one. Section of this for 3-1, page 138. Quickie, 2 through 10 even. I'm going to pick up 1 through